We have 3 more days, and today we're going to do something cute. We're not going to tell what, but it's going to be cute. First, Trader Joe's to get some fruit maybe and some protein, and then we need to be in a place at 12 o'clock. For a long time I heard about American portions, and now we got ourselves coffee, and they sell it like in this, it's a jug of coffee. like
we are on the quest of checking all the drinks that we don't have in Europe.
Yes.
And cold brew
vanilla.
Coffee with vanilla and cardamom.
Oh, I recommend.
In a 1 liter bottle.
1 liter, which they call it. There's 3 portions there, so like, okay.
It is, yeah, okay.
Oh, okay, now yeah.
Makes sense. Ready to drink.
We came to our first plan of the day. Halloween dog parade.
And it looks like they love it here.
We just had our cutest moment of New York. I think Americans love this. Like, they love to celebrate, and people matching the clothes of the dog, everything, like they do go the extra mile. Oh, it was so good. I'm always afraid to get some recommendation because a lot of times they suck. But man, this was a pleasure, like, to eat.
Hey, this was better than cats.
It was so good, so soft. Today we are going to catch the elevator again, and then the boat back to the financial district to go back to the hotel and rest. I don't know if there's something that I didn't like, but I
didn't like Times Square.
Yeah, but okay, we can avoid, like, everything is going, like, now the weather is changing and we might get some rain tomorrow actually. But even with the grey sky, the buildings are beautiful. Of course we prefer with the blue sky and so on, but so impressive. We are going on a mission to grab snacks and go to a hotel. We'll try something different.